Excel users, particularly accountants, perform reconciliation exercises regularly. Today, I'll show you how to use Power Query to reconcile records using the append operation. Append allows you to add the content of multiple tables into a single table based on their column headers. When tables that have the same column headers are appended, all the rows in each table are combined based on their column header. If one of the appended tables doesn't have a column header from the other table, the column shows null values for that table. That's basically how it works. Let's look at an example. This table is the master price list with 2,000 products. The second table contains some products from the master list, while the third table has some products from the master list as well. So imagine your boss says there are inconsistencies in the prices. How can you reconcile it with Power Query? The goal today is to ensure that the prices in company X and Y are equal to the prices in this master list. The first step is to load each table into Power Query. Right-click and select Get Data from Sheet. To differentiate each table, add a new column with the name of the table or company. Go to Add Column. The name can be Company equals in double quote Master. Click OK. Now the new column has been added. Go to the Home tab, close and load to, and only create connection. I'll repeat the same process for company X and Y. Ensure the new column has the same name as the master table. Now that all the tables are here, we can append accordingly. Go to the Home tab, click on the drop-down for Append Queries and select Append Queries as New. Select 3 or more tables. Add the tables to the Append box. The tables will be appended in the order in which they are selected, and click OK. All 3 tables have the same headers, so the values are here. You can change the name of the query if you want. Next, we need to pivot this column. That will help us reconcile the values. If you don't understand the difference between pivot and unpivot, check out the link to my video in the description box below. Select Company column, go to the Transform tab, click on Pivot column. The names in the company column will be used to create new columns. The values column is selling price. Click on Advanced option and select Don't Aggregate. Click on OK. Great. Where you have null, the company doesn't sell the product. Now let's reconcile the master list to company X and Y. Go to Add column. Name will be Master minus X. In the formula, select Master minus, select X, click OK. Repeat the same for company Y. Master minus Y, click OK. Now go to the Home tab and close and load to. You can load to a table if you want. I'll load to a pivot table to get some flexibility with the fields. Drag products and categories to rows and change the layout to tabular. Turn off subtotals and grand totals as well. Check out my video on pivot tables to learn more about it. Let's start with X. Drag Master and X to values and Master minus X to values as well. Let me show you a filter trick with pivot tables. If you are in the pivot table, the filter button will be grayed out. But if you click the right cell next to the header, it becomes active. And when you click, it activates the filter drop down for these fields. Cool. These are blank because company X doesn't sell the product. And the 0 values are for products with no difference with the master list. So uncheck blanks and 0. Now we can see the affected product, and you can go to the source data and correct them. Remove X and repeat the same process for Y. Now we can see the affected products and make the corrections in the source data. And all you have to do is just right click and refresh, and you have your reconciled list. That's all for today. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your colleagues, and click the like button. Thank you. Bye.